Traveling doesn't always have to break the bank. With the right planning, you can explore the world without spending a fortune. If you're looking for affordable destinations in 25, here's a list of the top 10 cheapest countries to visit, where you can enjoy incredible experiences on a budget. On Vietnam. Vietnam offers a rich cultural heritage, stunning landscapes, and delicious street food at an incredibly affordable price. Whether you're exploring the bustling streets of Hanoi, cruising in Ha Long Bay, or visiting the ancient town of Hoi An, Vietnam has something for every traveler. Average daily budget Rs 200, Rs 500. Must-visit spots: Ha Long Bay, Ho Chi Minh City, Hoi An, Hanoi. Best time to visit December to April. Du, Thailand. Known for its pristine beaches, cultural sites, and vibrant cities, Thailand is a popular destination for budget travelers. Whether you are exploring Bangkok's temples, relaxing in Chiang Mai, or partying on the islands, Thailand offers affordable accommodation and food. Average daily budget Rs 1500, Rs 3000. Must-visit spots: Bangkok, Chiang Mai, Phi Phi Islands, Pattaya. Best time to visit November to February. Tigj, Indonesia. From the islands of Bali to the jungles of Sumatra, Indonesia is a diverse and affordable destination. The cost of living is low, with cheap accommodations and inexpensive public transport. It's ideal for backpackers and nature lovers. Average daily budget Rs 1200, Rs 2500. Must-visit spots: Bali, Yogyakarta, Komodo Island, Jakarta. Best time to visit May to September. Quad, Cambodia. Cambodia is home to one of the most impressive ancient civilizations, with Angkor Wat being the star attraction. The country is very affordable for travelers, with inexpensive accommodation, food, and entry fees. Average daily budget Rs 1000, Rs 2000. Must-visit spots: Angkor Wat, Phnom Penh, Siem Reap, Sihanoukville. Best time to visit November to March. Find India. India is one of the most affordable countries to travel, offering a diverse range of experiences. From bustling cities to tranquil hill stations and serene beaches, street food, budget hotels, and local transport are all very cheap, making it a backpacker's paradise. Average daily budget Rs 1000 kilo, Rs 2500. Must-visit spots: Taj Mahal, Jaipur, Kerala. Backwaters. Go. Best time to visit October to March. 6. Mexico. Mexico provides great value for money, with stunning beaches, rich culture, and delicious food. Whether you're exploring the ancient ruins, relaxing on the Pacific coast, or enjoying the vibrant city life in Mexico City, it's affordable for all types of travelers. Average daily budget Rs 2000, Rs 4000. Must-visit spots: Mexico City, Cancun, Tulum, Chichen. It's the best time to visit November to April. Romania. Romania is an underrated European destination that is budget-friendly, with rich history, picturesque castles, and beautiful landscapes. Explore the medieval towns, visit Bran Castle, aka Dracula's Castle, and enjoy the Carpathian Mountains, all without burning a hole in your wallet. Average daily budget Rs 3500, Rs 4500. Must-visit spots: Bucharest, Transylvania, Bran Castle, Palace Castle. Best time to visit May to September. South Sri Lanka. Known for its stunning beaches, lush greenery, and ancient temples, Sri Lanka offers great value for money. Whether you want to explore the cultural sites, go on a safari, or relax by the beach, Sri Lanka offers cheap accommodations and food options. Average daily budget Rs 1500, Rs 3000. Must-visit spots: Colombo, Sigiriya, Gale, Kandy. Best time to visit December to March. Noi, Bulgaria. Bulgaria offers a unique blend of culture, history, and nature, all at affordable prices. From the Black Sea coast to the ancient city of Plovdiv, Bulgaria offers budget-friendly travel experiences in Europe. Average daily budget Rs 2000, Rs 4000. Must-visit spots: Sofia, Plovdiv, Rila Monastery. Varna. Best time to visit May to September. 10. Turkey. Turkey is a fascinating destination, that offers a mix of history, culture, and beautiful landscapes at budget-friendly prices. Whether you're exploring Istanbul's bazaars, visiting the ancient ruins of Ephesus, or relaxing in Pamukkale's thermal waters, Turkey is a great place for cheap travel. Average daily budget Rs 2000, Rs 4000. Must-visit spots: Istanbul, Cappadocia, Pamukkale, Ephesus. Best time to visit: April to June, September to November. Book your budget-friendly trip with Jagriti Travel Solutions. Ready to explore these affordable destinations? Book your trip with Jagriti Travel Solutions, where we offer customized travel packages that suit your budget and preferences. Whether you're backpacking across Southeast Asia, exploring European castles, or relaxing on the beaches of Mexico, we've got you covered.